Two materials completely opposite in every possible way. One is the warmest material in the entire jewelry world, golden, ancient, alive with trapped sunlight from forests that disappeared 65 million years ago. The other in the coolest, mirror bright, lunar, reflecting the world around it in a very perfect sheet of white metallic light. One was born from the trees, the other was born from the earth. One carries fire, the other carries moonlight. And when these two extraordinarily powerful opposites meet in a necklace, when ancient gold and amber and brilliant cool silver comes together in a single piece of jewelry, something happens that neither material could ever achieve alone. Something that stops people mid conversation, something that make strangers approach you and ask you, "What is that? What are you wearing? Where did you get it?" So, today we are exploring amber and silver combination necklace design, and I am going to take you deep dive into this amazing combination. So, let's get into it. So, hey everyone, welcome back to BP Shine. Let me start with amber because before we can understand what happens when amber meets silver, we must understand what amber truly is at its deepest level and what amber truly is will genuinely amaze you. Amber is not a stone, it is not a mineral, it is not a crystal, it is not any geological material in the conventional sense. Amber is fossilized tree resin, the ancient sap of prehistoric trees that dripped, flowed, and pooled millions of years ago in forests that no longer exist anywhere on Earth. Over millions of years, under specific conditions of boreal pressure and chemical transformation, this ancient resin underwent a process called polymerization, where its molecular structure was gradually transformed from a sticky, volatile organic substance into a stable, hard, gemstone like material that can survive for tens of millions of years without significant deterioration. The amber you see in jewelry today is between 30 and 90 million years old. Let that number sit with you for a moment. 90 million years ago, the dinosaurs were still alive. The continents were in completely different positions. The forests where whose resin became amber were produced populated by plants and animals that no longer exist anywhere on earth. So when you hold a piece of amber or when you wear an amber necklace, you're holding a material that was liquid in a world that human beings never saw and can be barely imagine. That is not metaphor, that is geological fact. So now this is the knowledge that will genuinely change how you see amber forever. Amber is one of the most electrically interesting materials on earth, and the connection between amber and electricity is not metaphorical or energetic in the crystal healing sense. It is literal, historical, and scientifically documented. The ancient Greek word for amber was electron, and it was through experiments with amber, specifically through the observation that amber, when rubbed with cloth, attracted small light objects like feathers and dust, that ancient Greek scientist first documented the phenomenon of static electricity. The philosopher Thales of Miletus writing in extremely 600 BCE, described how rubbed amber attracted light materials, making him the first person in recorded history to document an electromagnetic phenomenon. This means that the word electricity, the most important word in the entire vocabulary of modern technology, comes directly from amber. Every time you turn on a light, charge your phone, use an electrical device, refer to any electrical phenomenon, you are using a word that traces its etymology to this ancient tree resin. Amber gave us the language we use to describe the force that powers the entire modern world. And amber's connection to electricity is not merely historical. Amber genuinely generates static electricity when rubbed, a property called triboelectric charging, and this property is the scientific foundation of the ancient belief that amber carries special energy. Now, silver, because the specific properties of silver that makes it such an extraordinary partner for amber are not just about aesthetics. They are about a deep, scientifically grounded, historically documented opposition between two materials that human beings have been instinctively drawn to pair together for thousands of years. Silver is, as we have established, the most reflective metal on Earth. It reflects 99% of visible light. Its color is cool, white, and lunar, the color of moonlight, of still water, of the clear winter sky. It visually every spiritual and symbolic tradition across the world. Amber is the opposite of silver in almost every measurable way. Where silver reflects light, amber absorbs it and transforms it, taking white light in and returning it as warm golden glow from within. So, where silver is cool, amber is warm. Where silver is lunar, amber is solar. It carries within it the light of an ancient sun that shone on prehistoric forest 65 million years ago. This opposition, warm and cool, solar and lunar, ancient organic and refined metallic, absorb light and reflected light, is the scientific and aesthetic foundation of why amber and silver together is so visually and emotionally powerful. These two materials do not just contrast, they define each other. The amber looks warmer, more golden, more alive next to the cool precision of silver. The silver looks cooler, more brilliant, more architecturally precise next to the warm organic glow of amber. So each material brings out the most essential quality of the other, and this mutual enhancement is the deepest design intelligence behind the amber and silver combination. So, guys, if this video gave you something extraordinary today, a piece of knowledge that changed how you see these two materials, I designed it stopped your heart. Give it a thumbs up right now. Share it with the jewelry lover in your life who deserves to see something this ancient and this beautiful. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe to the channel BP Shine and share your thoughts in comment section. Stay connected with me. Enjoy your life.